Hi, I'm Squeaky Clean Dave, and I'm here today with my brother Sam. You're going to be seeing a lot more of Sam coming up in videos very shortly. So today we've got two jobs to do. We've got a cladding clean, which is a small side of a house, it's got some black lines down it, and we've got a pressure washing job around a mobile park home. So for both these jobs, we're going to be using a new product by Equip to Clean, and it's called Hypo Superfoam Plus. Now, there's some good things about this Hypo Superfoam Plus. First is it's a 15% concentrate, so it's a very strong concentrate. Secondly, it's got a lemon scent to it, so it doesn't smell as bad as a lot of the Hypos. Thirdly, it has got a surfactant added to it already, so there's no mixing chemicals yourself, so this is all added to it. Now, if you're not sure what a surfactant is, it acts like a soap, so when you apply it to a surface, not only does it help it foam up, but also it helps it stick to the surface. So if you're applying it to a vertical surface, it's really going to help stop on that surface for longer and work for much longer. Now, the good thing, or maybe the main thing about this product, is that it's label compliant. Now, being label compliant, it means it's made for doing the job. So, I mean, accidents can happen, you never know. So with a label compliant product, you're much more likely to get on, if you do have a problem, you get on a lot better with somebody like your insurance company or the health and safety advisor, because you're using the right chemical for the job. So let's get on with these jobs and see how we get on. So we've got this park home, just one of the paths around it doing. Nothing too strenuous, nothing massive, not the tarmac, just the slabs around here, so it's not a massive job. And then just a bit of block paving, and back around to there. So we've got the pressure washer just setting up, we've got the whirl away set up, so we'll give it a wash down and then a Hypo. So we've got here new from Equip to Clean, a Hypo, and it's called Hypo Superfoam patio cleaner. The other thing we're using to apply it is the X-Jet M5. Great little tool. The advantage of this is that drops into the hypo, so there's no pre-mixing. You set the amount that you want mixed in the gun, and that way it mixes it as the water comes through the pressure washer, and that way you're not putting any chemical at all through your pressure washer, so it keeps your pressure washer nice and clean and stops it from corroding. So it's come up pretty nice. We didn't actually do round the front here with hypo. I didn't want to get it on the tarmac, on the grass, so we just did this with a turbo nozzle. This end up here hasn't come up quite so nice, just using the turbo nozzle, but where we get round the back, the customer's really pleased. The block paving has come up really nicely. I didn't want to do any more on those steps because I didn't want to fetch all the paint off. This block paving's come up like new, really pleased. The customer said they didn't realise they've got two different coloured slabs along here and along here, and in the front steps they got two different coloured slabs, so didn't even realise they'd got those. So they're very happy. It's come up really well. So we've done that little pressure washing job with the Hypo Superfoam from Equip to Clean, and it did a brilliant job. It really frothed up nicely, went round well, didn't smell too bad at all, smelled quite nice, and really did a good job. So now, we've now come to this second job today, which is this house here, and there's a bit of staining up this side wall here. So what we've done, we've mixed it up at about 8:1, which is what it says on the bottle. 8:1 in the gardener backpack. We're going to put it on with the brush and just brush it onto the wall. I did a little test patch the other day to make sure it didn't cause any damage, and then we'll brush all this on and see if it gets these black lines from off the wall, and we'll see how we get on with that. If you look closely, you can see there's some good suds coming up on that. It has stuck to the wall really well. We've only just applied it. Most of the stains have already come off. We're just going to leave that for a few minutes now, just to sit for a minute, just to see. We've been washing the lead down with water constantly, make sure that doesn't corrode the lead. So those are both washed down. We've been keeping the water flowing on them constantly, and that's coming up really nice already. So we'll give that a few minutes and then we'll wash that wall down. So you can see that's come up pretty good. If you look closely, there are some faint shadows, but I think that's etched into the paint, to be honest. But the Superfoam's really done its job. It's got most of it out. brought it up looking really nice. So we've got a little bit left in the backpack, so we're just gonna put a bit on that roof there and see how it comes up. So as you can see, that's come up really nice. Easiest polycarb I've ever done, no scrubbing. All it took was putting the Superfoam on and then giving it a wash off with a hose pipe, and that's come up absolutely crystal clear. Lovely job. And it only took a few minutes. Just leave it dwell for a bit, but then didn't take long at all.